Hey guys, today I will show you how to install Python. So without any further ado, let's get into it. To install the latest version of Python, first go to your browser and type Python download. Then click on the first link. Then it will redirect you to the official site of Python, and here we can see that we have Python 3.12.3 is available to download.so. Just simply click on the download button and it will start to downloading. Now the installer file is downloaded. So to start installation, click on the downloaded file. Then you get the installation window. Select these two options and click on Customize Installation. So this is all file that are going to install, so you can customize it based on your requirement. For me, it is fine. Just simply click on Next. Here you need to check the first option if you need to install Python for all user of your system. If you have more than one user on your system, and this is the installation location of Python. Then click on Install button. As you have seen, my setup has been started. It will take 1 or 2 minutes. Now my setup is successfully installed. Click on the Close button. Then go to Command Prompt. If you want to check the version of Python, you can just type Python version. Hit Enter so you can see the version. And you can run Python program on CMD. You simply type py, hit Enter. Then I am going to type a simple print statement. And hit Enter. As you see, I get my output. The other option to run Python program is idle.so. Go to idle, and you can write any statement. And hit Enter, you get the output. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.